guys, so I was able to score this super awesome wicker chest for about 10 bucks from Goodwill. I'm gonna paint it, add some really cute handles, and this DIY thrift flip will cost me just under 25 bucks. Alright you guys, so I decided to go with the Rust-Oleum French Cream, and then I got a satin clear enamel top coat as well. So I'm not even a thrift queen or anything like that. I just saw this wicker chest and I definitely saw the potential with it. After doing 2 layers of spray paint and adding the top coat, I'm gonna add these adorable handles. Hopefully I can screw them into either side of the chest as well as the front of the chest to where you lift it. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to screw them in because it is wicker, but I sure am gonna try. Next up are these awesome wood end tables that I was able to score for 6 bucks a piece, so 12 bucks together, which is such an awesome deal. I've been wanting to thrift flip something like this for a while now for our bedroom. I'm going to paint these a very beautiful blue color that's going to match our room perfectly. Add some new knobs. Obviously I have to clean these up real good and sand them down, but I'm so excited to flip these. I'm using the same handles that I used on the chest. I just love these. They're super inexpensive, but they go with my boho theme in my house. But with these ones, I'm going to spray paint them gold just to match my bedroom more. Alright, and I totally forgot to tell you guys, but I'm painting the end tables a satin Oxford blue, which sounds so fancy. And then I'm doing the handles, and I think I'm actually going to paint the bottom of the end tables as well with this metallic satin bronze. So this is the tapestry I was talking about that I'm so inspired by. Tapestries are such a great way to put artwork in your home, but for a fraction of the cost. I love the blues and the golds, and I love that it's a night sky because we really just sleep in our bedroom. We don't spend a lot of time in here.